Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look on the gold market. So in general, actually the pullback that we discussed in the weekend has happened. It looks really nice. Unfortunately, the pullback hasn't started from the just perfect level that we have discussed around 28.16, 28.17 area. By the technical reasons, this would be much better. The pullback than from the current level, but well, we have what we have. So pullback starts from the points that has been formed on Friday, and here are some reasons exist for that. As I explained already in today's current video on the euro, it's as you know, in a weekend it was announcement of the big and huge defense spending from the European Union. Donald Trump has provided some details on tariffs on export from Canada and Mexico. Now we know that the total import that has been treated with the tariffs stands around $1.5 trillion. It's really big amount. It's a huge amount of import. And the only softer conditions have been applied to the hydrocarbons from the Canada, so around 10% tariffs extent of the 25. So that's has made dollar significantly weaker, and you can see what has happened in euro currency, and correspondingly on the gold market you can see the same story. In the current circumstances, we can't say definitely whether it's straightforward upward continuation on the gold or it will be just pullback before possible downward action. What really we could suggest? First of all, we can't call this performance at the bread and butter just because market hasn't quite reached the 30% level. For the double repo, it potentially is possible. Why actually we do not take off the bearish scenario on the table. So, but it needs further upward action in creating the second top. So in fact, we could understand what's really is going on only on the way how market will perform at the top, how it will challenge it. If we'll get straightforward upward breakout, it means that we are going to the next upside target. If instead we get the wash and rinse, some fluctuation around it, some consolidation, then probably the bearish scenario will still be valid. But for now, it's very difficult to say what particular will happen. With this performance that we have at this point, somewhere in the middle of this range, personally, I do not want to take the short position, especially if you take a look at the pace, how fast this upward action has happened. So unfortunately, as I said, the XOP has not been reached, so we just have got this upward action immediately. But it's understandable because the news has been released and market shows the immediate reaction on that. In the current circumstances, momentum stands strong. I think that we could consider possible the retracement out from the natural support resistance area, if it will happen, of course, to the predefined levels. So 28.95, 28.85 might be very interesting for that. If we will get it, then we could consider taking the long position. Additionally, we could keep an eye on the performance of the market around the top of the C points, because if market will break it up, it will erase the ABCD action totally, and it also will be the bullish sign. And second, how market will behave on this natural barrier. The upside breakout here also will increase chances that market is coming back to the challenge the 29.56 area, the previous top. And potentially it might be a next destination point around the 3,000, as many investors already talk about this and big banks talk about this. So that in towards what we have. So unfortunately, the external factor has triggered the setup that we discussed a bit earlier than we thought. And now it mostly is done. So currently we just need to do two things. Actually, first is waiting for retracement to consider long position, and second, keep an eye on confirmation of the bullish ambitions, in particular how market performs with the major levels that we have just discussed. So that's probably all that we could do currently on the gold.